Hey everyone, my name is Josh Kroenke. Yeah, just like the owner of the Denver Nuggets. But I'm not into basketball or management, and I'm definitely not a billionaire. What I do know is cars, and that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. All right, enough with the intro. Let's get into today's topic.
June 5, 2023, 9:26 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. In general, we all know that tires need proper tire pressure to ride efficiently and safely. But most of us don't know what the recommended values are for our car and how to check it. Here we tell you why it is important to measure tire pressure before a trip and how to do it. Driving with the wrong tire pressure causes greater wear and is also dangerous, since it increases braking distance and reduces grip. High tire pressure can affect stability. Cars need maintenance, but also punctual checks before embarking on long journeys. Especially if we are planning a long road trip, it is important to tune up the car's mechanics and make sure it is in optimal condition for safe and comfortable travel. Why it is important to measure tire pressure. Tire condition is critical for several reasons. Car tires are the only point of contact between the vehicle and the road, so they must always be in good condition, no cuts, deformations, or dents, and have the correct pressure. This is because tire pressure, PSI, influences the behavior of the car while driving. As we said before, if it is higher or lower than the one indicated by the manufacturer, the car will lose adherence to the asphalt. The tire will be more likely to suffer punctures or blowouts and, in addition, the vehicle's fuel consumption will skyrocket. Therefore, before leaving on a trip, it is important to check that the tire pressure is correct. You can measure it at a gas station or have a pressure gauge at home. How to measure tire pressure. A key fact that many of us do not know is that the tire must be cold before measuring tire pressure. Otherwise, the measurement could be altered. The first thing to do is to unclog the tire valve and connect the pressure gauge hose. Then, we adjust it correctly and we will quickly hear the sound of escaping air. This is normal. The pressure gauge will automatically show us what the tire pressure is. If we check the figure with the pressure tables recommended by the manufacturer of our car and we see that they do not match, we will have to adjust the figure by removing air or inflating the tire. This step is simple. The gauges have a plus and a minus to be able to adjust the desired air pressure. We will remove the hose and we will close the valve again, putting the cap carefully. Now we have the tires ready to go out on the road without fear. You may be interested in conclusion, measuring tire pressure before embarking on a trip is crucial for ensuring your safety, enhancing fuel efficiency, and prolonging the life of your tires. By taking just a few minutes to check and adjust your tire pressure, you can prevent potential accidents and improve your vehicle's performance. Remember to consult your vehicle's manual for the recommended pressure levels and use a reliable gauge for accurate readings. Prioritizing this simple yet essential task can make all the difference in your travel experience. Safe travels.